Our joints provide us with mobility by connecting two bones, allowing us to move, rather than being stiff like a log. Did you know that along with muscles, joints are also the most important tool for sports and movement? Spending 100% of your effort on developing your muscular system alone does not aid in your improved performance. There is always going to be some degree of an uphill battle if you're not including your joints in the picture. When the joints are surrounded by balanced muscle tissues, they are free to move in their full range of motion. The bulging heart muscles impair the range of motion by inhibiting joint mobility. It further decreases the body's efficiency and increases risk of injuries. Joint mobility exercises prepare the joints for the training session, activates one's ability to move, help prevent injuries, help to perform an adequate redistribution of blood flow in the active areas, and improve the sliding of the connecting tissues. Additionally, regular activation of joints can help manage or prevent joint-related conditions such as arthritis. Join my joint activation workshop to get awareness on important joints and their location and its function, along with exercises to activate and nourish all the major joints for injury prevention and improved athletic performance.